To me, sustainability means protecting and preserving our beautiful planet Earth so that future generations have a healthy planet to live on. Here in Florida, we have a large amount of solar energy, which we can use for many day-to-day activities. One way to use solar energy is to get solar panels. You can use your solar panels to heat up a pool or get electricity into your home. Try to limit the use of your dryer. Instead, why not use a drying rack? Let's not rely on magic. Instead, use solar energy. These are ways I use sustainability. How do you?